Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix sorry we couldn't complete your request on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile page. So basically, guys, right now, as you can see right here, this is how the error looks like. So it says, sorry, we couldn't complete your request. Please try again in a moment. So basically, guys, if you have this problem, this has actually a lot of reasons. One of the reasons is maybe just your internet connection is a little bit slow. So make sure to check your internet connection. So make sure you are connected to a good internet connection. If you have already a good internet connection and you still have this problem, then just try to wait it out. Maybe if you just try to wait for like 30 minutes or 1 hour, the problem will go away. You can also try to go to your profile page, go to your account settings, and then scroll all the way down, log out from your account, and try to log in again. And you can also go to Play Store or App Store, depending on which phone you have. Go to the search section, click on the search bar, and search for Instagram. Once you find it, click on it and then check if you have any available updates. If you find any updates available, make sure you update your application to the latest version so it will work the best. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.